Hi, my name is Kat. I'm the Community Outreach Dietitian with Lee Health Coconut Point, and today we're going to be making a delicious broccoli cauliflower soup. So we're going to go ahead and start with some onions and garlic. I'm going to put the fire on medium heat, put a little olive oil to coat the bottom. This is about a medium-sized onion that I just have chopped up. Everything will be processed at the end with an immersion blender, so you don't need to have anything diced too small. Once they're fragrant, we're going to go ahead and add the broccoli and the cauliflower. And the key, as you can see here, the broccoli and cauliflower are broken down into the florets. That way the soup will cook nice and fast. We're going to add the beans. We're going to go ahead and add the vegetable broth. So we want the vegetables to be almost fully covered in broth. It looks like a lot of spinach, but this will all melt down.